If you love your mom, never tell a programmer he can't do something.
Hello there, friend. I just completed a hard program challenge.
Oh, nice. Was it that hard though?
What do you mean, was it that hard?
I mean, given your background, it must have been relatively easy for you to complete it.
What do you mean? I'm an excellent programmer.
Oh yeah?
Of course, I'm at least better than you, stupid blockchain developer.
Whoa, easy there. BC dev is hard.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah? Try coding some DeFi app then. I fucking bet you that you can't.
You made a bad mistake, friend. Challenge fucking accepted. Okay guys, we're starting with the basics here. I have before me this article about DeFi and I'm gonna read it in a second. So, I've read the article about DeFi, time to read the Uniswap's white paper. Time to read Uniswap v2 white paper. Time to read Uniswap v3 white paper. Massive, genius white paper. Full of complex ideas, like each line takes a minute to comprehend. There's a lot of options for the chain you choose and the project you choose to do. So I'm gonna go with the most simple project and the most basic chain. So I guess I'm gonna go with a basic Uniswap clone on an Ethereum testnet. Truffle has a beautiful feature called boxes. You can use boxes to set up your project for the first time. You download that box, you unbox it, and your project is set up and ready for you to start coding. So I'm gonna create a to-do list here. So the first thing that we need to do is to create a custom token. Custom ERC20 token. Another thing that we need to do is to create this factory class. Swap factory contract. And then these factory contracts create an exchange contract.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag,
Get out of the way, motherfucker. Okay. Next thing we need to do, turn it into a website that people can actually interact with. So, okay guys, to make things a bit challenging for the UI part, I am gonna do the UI part in 1 hour. And I'm not really good with React. Okay, I'm either gonna get really happy at the end, or really mad. So there goes the 1 hour. It started now. Come on. I don't even have the VS Code ready. I don't even have a terminal ready. This is gonna be something. Why is my computer so fucking slow? I actually don't know if I could do this in 1 hour. Okay, that works. Got the button, we've got the test thing. Now, the next thing. Compiled again. Come on, don't do me like that. Come on, man. You gotta be able to compile that shit. This is taking away so much of my time. So while this is getting compiled, I'm gonna go to the factory thing. And I'm gonna start coding a little widget here. Okay, the cart looks okay. It's just all over the place, right? So we need to place that right. 46 minutes. This is stressful. Oh, it works. Okay. Yeah, that's challenging. If I can only make this factory work, I'll be proud of myself. I'm gonna lose this challenge. For sure. Got this. Are you ready? I'm gonna click on it. Give me errors. And I'm almost running out of time. But if this works, I'm gonna be happy. Oh, this is the same fucking thing. I didn't allow it. I need to give it some allowance, man. Oh, come on. That's like I just want a quick redemption. Come on, Remix. How long is it gonna take to open the fucking Remix ID? I'm on a timeline over here. Come on! What the fuck? Come on! Fucking finally! This is taking for fucking ever. I don't have time. Come on! Why is it so fucking slow? Come on! Now all of a sudden, Remix Ideas just decides to stop working all of a sudden. That is not fair. What the fuck is this? Yeah, I ran out of time. This is not fair. Makes no fucking sense, bro. Now it works. Now it works. It's like magic or something. I just want to know. If it wasn't for Remix IDE, would it have worked? There should be no problems. Okay. And it's gonna spend 1 Ethereum. If we hit confirm, transaction successful. So if it wasn't for the Remix IDE, I would have made it. Okay guys, it's ready. Now it's time for the surprise. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm gonna run the surprise command. npm run start. Oh, it's here. Are you ready, guys, with the surprise? Wait. It's gonna be worth it, I promise. This is a big surprise. Boobiswap? What do you mean? Boobiswap? It's my it's my Uniswap clone. After you connect your wallet to Boobiswap, it asks you to give it an address of an ERC20 contract. So I'm gonna give it the address of my TST contract, which is my custom test token. So if I click create exchange, it is going to ask me to give it permission to spend 5 TST out of my TST tokens. So I'm gonna confirm that. Then it's gonna ask me to pay 1 ETH as the first initial ETH pool of the exchange. So the exchange has an ETH pool and a token pool. So charge the pool with 1 ETH. I'm gonna confirm that. And after that, we have an ETH exchange. Now if we want to give this guy like 92 tokens, so we only have 100 tokens on our account. The pool on this exchange has 5 tokens and 1 ETH, so price of each 5 token is 1 ETH, so 5 per ETH. Okay, so if we give it 92 tokens, which is a lot more than 5, it's gonna give us close to 1 ETH, which is all of the ETH it's holding in its pool. It's gonna give us close to 1 ETH. This is in way, right? So it's gonna give us close to 1 ETH, 0.94% of the ETH in its pool, but not all of it. So there's always some ETH or always some tokens left in this pool, so that people always can exchange tokens to ETH or in reverse. If we click token to ETH, it's gonna first ask us for permission to grab 92 of our TST tokens. So I'm gonna confirm that. Then it's gonna turn that into ETH. Transaction confirmed. Now the amount of coins in this thing is insane. So the price of the coin drops. Right now, each ETH gives us 1,800 coins instead of 5. Let's try giving it ETH. So right now, if I give it like 1 gigabyte, it's gonna give us a lot more. of the token. So yeah, you can exchange tokens with ETH, and it actually grabs some fee and stores some fee for the holders, for people who started the exchange in the contract. If you liked it, just smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, smash any button on your screen. Just don't smash this little button over here because it closes the window. That's not a good thing to be smashing.
Yeah.
And
sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the